Hi, welcome to our fifth video from Modular MX. My name is Edwin Bolon, and today we're going to install chocolatey. Choco is helpful for manage different tools such as tree for directories, make for makefile, minch, GW for GCC and GDB, among others. Also, you don't want to waste your time watching this video. You can go to our website and look for the steps to install, and also look to some other cool information and course for free. This video is only to show you how to install in case you have issues with installation or something, and make sure you know how to do this. So here you can see different step in case you having your from Linux. You have the step there, but here we're going to make the ones from Windows because I have Windows. So yeah, as I told you before, you can see all the steps install every tool using Choco, and also how to set bash as your default terminal. So you can see every command to install every tool that you need. So in this case, you can see the keys for repositories, make for makefile, and so on. Remember, chocolatey is used for Windows. In this case, you have Linux. The steps are there to install everything you need, and probably you should know by now. So the first thing to do is copy and paste the first command. This is going to help you to install chocolate, and then we're going to create Choco. Remember to open Windows PowerShell as admin to do this. Once that you create chocolatey, you will see the next sentence. Then we have to type command for GCC and GDP. Remember that for each installation we must run the script to install it right. So you must type Y to install it. Also, it took a little bit to install every tool, so you need to be patient. For example, right now it's taking a little bit longer, but it's something usual. One, it took me like 30 minutes or more to install everything. Now that GCC was installed, I'm gonna run the command to check the version of GCC, but we need to open a new window to make it right, because it's something a little bit weird that in Windows you have to reinstall or restart everything, So here I put it and it worked. You can see that GCT is in our computer and it's installed. Now I'm going to install make with the command and run every script to install it. Remember that make is for makefile, where you can automatize different stuff like debugging, compile your file and project. So this is quite useful. Now let's install Git. This is useful for versioning our project. In this case, that we don't want to have different files, different folders for every change that we want. We can use Git, and it's going to be really useful instead of having like 20 folders to know which one is the good one. Now we're gonna install tree for directories. Remember to run every script. This is going to run every download that we need to install everything right. Now let's install VS Code. If you have it, probably you don't need to do this, but this is a way that you can install Visual Studio Code. And remember, run every script. Finally, let's install Python. Python is gonna help us later with other tools like Seedling that requires to have it, or another one that probably you're gonna use in the future. So I suggest you to install it right now. Now on VS Code, you can verify every tool that we install on your terminal. For example, I'm going to check the version of Git, and we can see there it is. But also, it's going to help us to set Git bash at default terminal. The last step is set bash at our terminal. With bash, we're going to use that for Git for versioning our project. So the first thing to do is click insert, then right or select terminal, select the file profile, and then select bash. So now close your terminal and open a new one, and you will see a new terminal with the bash. If this didn't work, then click next to the plus, and you'll see select default terminal. So you click git bash and it will set it, in case that didn't work neither. Let's go to the preference open, user setting JSON, and then you'll need to have this there. This is going to help you to set it in case that the last two step didn't work for you. And yeah, so click preference open user settings JSON, and then you need to have this. Okay, with this is gonna work. And that's it. If you like the video and you have suggestions, let us know. Thanks for watching, and let us know if it was useful for you. Bye.